It's okay.
Stop yelling.
This week, we're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison family!
Ai, cadê o Fred, hein? Ô, maluco. Ah, vê se pode, mano.